This is Racoon, the perfect toy chest. I'll show you how to assemble it. The chest consists of the following elements: 4 wheels, 2 side walls, rear and front wall, bottom of the chest, mounting screws 8 pieces, bolts 8 pieces, connectors, short dowel pins 6 by 20mm 4 pieces, long dowel pins 8 pieces. To assemble the toy chest, you can use a screw gun or Phillips head and flathead screwdriver. Start the assembly with the wheels. Place them flat, external sides down like this. Remember to do this on a soft surface that won't damage the elements. Now, place the short dowel pins in the holes in the internal sides of the wheels and press them in. Next, place the side walls with the external sides facing the floor, and place them on the wheels so that the dowel pins go into the holes in the walls of the chest. Now use these screws. Screw 2 into each wheel. OK, now you can prepare the front and rear wall of the chest. Both should have the external sides facing the floor. Then place the dowel pins inside the holes in the sides of the walls. Now, place the connectors inside these holes. The side threaded sockets in the connectors should line up with these grooves. Now we can move on to connecting the walls. Place the front wall perpendicularly to the side wall so that the dowels go into the holes. Screw the walls together using these bolts. Do the same with the rear wall. Now you can insert the bottom of the chest. To do this, insert it into the grooves on the side walls. OK, now you can affix the side wall to the rest of the chest. Now screw it in using the bolts. To finish, check to make sure that everything is affixed together properly. Ready! The toy chest is very easy to clean. All you need to do is wipe it down with a dry cloth. That's it about Racoon. Now your child can put all their treasures inside. Enjoy!
KinderKraft. Easy with kids.